I started TAing the ECE 110, which is the intro ECE class, pretty much right after I took the class myself. I TA'd it for 2 semesters and then I moved to ECE 280, which is Signals and Systems. I really just enjoy the experience of kind of sharing what I'm passionate about with students, sharing the things that I care about. And I really like seeing students become more passionate about those things. Especially in ECE 110, there's a lot of students who are deciding whether or not they want to pursue electrical engineering. This is kind of their first exposure to it. And so you get a lot of experience kind of witnessing their opinions of engineering changing, and you get to see firsthand the influence that you have in helping them understand things better, helping them kind of appreciate what they're learning more. A signal is just something that carries information. And so one of the really great things about the 280 lab is that it shows a bunch of different examples of what, a signal that you're learning about in class might be. In particular, I think it's nice that each of the labs has a different focus, because some students will be really passionate about music and they'll get hooked during that lab. Some students will be passionate about photo editing, maybe. Some students like building things. The AM radio lab kind of feeds toward that a little bit. And so there are a lot of different places where students can get interested and get engaged. Going into Duke, I really did not want to go into academia, actually. I was kind of set on just going into industry, and I didn't really consider grad school as an option for myself, really. But as I continued through Duke, I started to meet more professors, more PhD students, people that were just really passionate about what they were doing and cared a lot. And I started to consider that more for myself. So next year, I'm going to be at the University of Washington starting a PhD in applied math. I decided to go for applied math because I thought it combined kind of the things that I'm interested academically in well. I think it provides some of the rigor in thinking that I've found that math classes give me, but it's still all grounded in and motivated by applications, which is really important to me.